This is a crazy crypto here again with a best project. Friends, today we want to introduce you again a best project where you can earn a lot of profit. Friends, before starting our video, I request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Friends, let's begin the review of the project. Friend, today project name is Blackfort and it's a blockchain project, and you can see we have find here the main homes and the main festive of about socials and FAQ etc migration events also in the pipeline. You can see all roads leads to be Blockfort. And what is the Blockfort? You can see blockchain storage ecosystem, KYC, and also everything is here. And you can see at Blackfort we apologize in creating innovatives and blockchain in the best product and results. So friends, service our the offering includes client side wallet applications and layers one blockchain technology efficient payments and the solution and the secure smart contracts. You can see the project is very good and going to blossom in the future. So friend, we'll take to the next review of in the project. You can see Blackfort is the comprehensive blockchain ecosystem that offers a range of services include a secure blockchain platform, digital wallets and ecosystem solutions, also assets tokenized and platform real estate tokenizations and the Web3 media agency. Our mission is to guide our into the future of blockchain digital payments and the decentralized solution. So friend, Blackfort blockchain is a Blackfort blockchain is not just another blockchain platform. It's a designed to meet the essential demands of the modern blockchain and technology while introducing groundbreaking innovatives. So friend, we'll talk more about the explore. You can explore their blockchain also. They have the Blackfort to pay, and they have cards, and they experience the future of e-money with Blackfort pay, secure, seamless and innovative. Also you can join their whitelist here. If you click, you can join their whitelist. So friend, Blackfort wallet also, they have the download Blackfort wallet to the purchase and store. You can store bitcoins and thousands of other cryptocurrencies here. This is you can provide you on the androids and also Apple phone. You can easily find that blockchain. Blackford also जो है real estate and reshaping the prosperity market through assets and tokenized and also enabling secure and transparent ownership of the real estate properties via blockchain technology. So this is all is coming soon. And you can sign up to their newsletter. And also if we talk about their Twitter, so friend, their Twitter is awesome. You can see their 69.4k already. They have community and very good community. You can see their post here in a decentralized world. Blackfort is your guide to the future. You can see digital payments and more follow. And along with the introduce each powerhouse with the these blockchains and the ecosystem. You can see all the posts here, and you can read their posts, so you can find there more things here. Check out how the Get wallet and integrates Black for the link below. Also we will provide the links in the our description. So friend, join their social media and also their website. Check their website, you can find everything is there. So friend, the links are here. You can see the stamp side map also very good, and you can also check their FAQs and everything here, and their companies and the follow up on the their Twitter X and LinkedIn and YouTube. Everything is here. So friend, mainly a best project, and I hope you will also earn profit from here and give feedback, good feedback to our video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.